Hello, this is Kurosh, and today I'm gonna record a video about lab exercise 8 of game 2005 or game physics. In this exercise, we were mostly focusing on the friction between the planes and the spheres. And for creating a friction, we needed to do some stuff, mostly on physics engine and adding a variable on physics object. On physics object, we added a variable called boolean is static false, and we make sure that we make it public because we want to access it through physics engine. So in physics engine, at the first part, everything is the same, no changes in the first part. In the fixed update, however, we made some changes. The first change in the fixed update, if we create, uh, is for here we have a object a that is static. We just added a if statement in the for the position. If it's static, the transformed position will be the new position of the cipher. And later on in the rest of this place, we have another things we needed to add. We had is overlapping cipher plane, because we mostly gonna add the friction between planes and ciphers. So we added here. We created a vector tree from called plane to cipher, and this is like the position difference between position of the cipher to plane. So as you can see, we have the difference position of the cipher to plane, and we have a float of position along normal. We have a dot product of the plane to cipher and plane dot normal, and we make it like a vector tree. Later on, we have a float for distance to plane, which is equal to absolute of the position along the normal vector, because we can make it like 0. We can make it less than 0. And we have overlap, which is cipher radius minus distance to plane. And if overlap is over 0, we're gonna change the transform position of the cipher plus normal times overlap, and at the end we're gonna return it true or return it false. So I'm gonna go through the Unity and show how everything is done. Make sure to put those things as 0. So if we have them as 0, and there is no problem is gonna happen for the velocities. Or if it's different, you gotta see that they're gonna move to their location, and they're just gonna come to the ground. So I'm gonna run the program, and in here, as you can see, the first cipher is gonna then is this one, and it's gonna have a collision. As you can see in the green dots, all of them are having a collision. So this collision is basically the thing we needed. And here, if I add some, if I increase the speed for example, all of them, as you can see, they have the same speed right now, 9.9 minus 75. If I increase the speed for like x of the b, for example 100, it's not gonna move, it's gonna just make it to 0. But if I make it is static, it's gonna come back to 100, and it's gonna make it move. So this is static is working like that. So thank you for watching the video, and